Brendan here with another tip on working on your A5. I needed to replace my windshield wipers. It's a 2013 A5. The A4s I think are similar, might even be exactly the same. So I got these Bosch Clear Advantage, figured I'd give them a try, and they definitely tried me. So it comes with this piece originally installed. It's tough to get off, I will tell you that. Key thing, pop this up. You get that just by squeezing the sides of that and it'll lift up. And then you pull from this side up. Now when you do it, this is on my hood. You know, any hard flat surface, maybe a table would be better. You're gonna tug. It sounds like it's breaking. It's not, hopefully. Just brace it as close as you can to here with one hand. With your right hand or left hand, whichever is stronger, and then just pull up from the front and it'll flip off. It really does sound like it's breaking. But then what you want is this adapter that's going to go in, and I struggled with it for a little bit. This is the front side that's going to be towards the top of the windshield in this position. So show you that. Sorry, I'm doing this in my closed garage because it's freezing outside, literally. But the trick here is to put the adapter in place almost all the way, because what it'll do, there's these little notches here, and you put it in there, then you slide the wiper on. Now you see how it's asymmetrical this side? You want the well, the one side's got the rivet head, the other's got it not. You want it this way so that the notched portion is toward the farthest end of the wiper. Then you slot that in. Kind of tough doing it one-handed. You pop that in place and then click it down in. If you try and push it all the way from the end like the factory ones come in, it won't work. It's the metal from that gets in the way. So you have to put it into those slots. The grooves are in the plastic will slot in, and it's 90% of the way in then. Then you put the blade into that with the notched portion towards the top end to give you that clearance. Clip it in, click it down, and you're done. Hope this helps.